Alright, so hi everyone, my name's Muzart. Thank you, all of you, for being here. So today I'm going to talk to you about my passion in life, which is science, and specifically within that, neuroscience. So I'm very interested in the human brain, how it works, how sometimes it can go wrong in disease, for example. And my interest within neuroscience is cognitive aspects of the brain. So I'm very interested in psychological processes, for example, how we learn, how we can emote, how we reason, how we can think and emote and learn and gather information and make decisions from that information, so how we act. Behavior is something I'm very interested in, and it's obviously very interconnected with cognition, so we'll be talking about both. And so I'm very interested in psychological processes and how we can study those at the level of the brain using a whole variety of different approaches. So things like neuroimaging, different computational models, all sorts of cognitive tools that we can use to investigate cognitive processes in the brain. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is just give you a little bit of background, a little bit of context to my interests, and also just in terms of the research that's been done, for example, at King's College London and other places here in the UK and all around the world. So